Hello, my name is Heather Holder. My goals are simple. I want to make the world a better place where everyone can live long, happy, healthy lives. In a small series of videos, I'll be going over different birth control methods along with their benefits and disadvantages. People have used birth control methods for thousands of years. Today, we have many safe and effective birth control methods available to us. All of us who need birth control want to find the method that works best for us. If you're trying to choose, learning more about each method may help you make your decision. Please take the time to view each video I make on the topic and relay any personal questions to your healthcare provider. Remember, birth control isn't a one for all. If one doesn't work for you, don't give up. Keep trying until you find a good fit. This video will be focused on abstinence. What is abstinence? You may have heard people talk about abstinence in different ways. Some people think abstinence is not having vaginal intercourse. They may enjoy other kinds of sexual activities that don't lead to pregnancy. This is better described as outercourse. Some people define abstinence as not having vaginal intercourse when a woman might get pregnant. This is better described as periodic abstinence, which is one of the fertility awareness-based methods of birth control. And some people define abstinence as not having any kind of sex play with a partner. This is the definition we're going to use in the video today. How does abstinence prevent pregnancy? Abstinence prevents pregnancy by keeping sperm out of the vagina. How effective is abstinence? Used continuously, abstinence is 100% effective in preventing pregnancy and also preventing STDs. How safe is abstinence? Abstinence is one of the safest ways to prevent pregnancy. There are no side effects. What are the benefits to abstinence? It has no medical or hormonal side effects. It is free. Women and men abstain from sex play for many reasons. Even after they've been sexually active, a couple may even choose to be abstinent after having sex play with each other. The reasons people choose to be abstinent may change throughout life. People choose abstinence to prevent pregnancy, prevent STDs, wait until they're ready for a sexual relationship, wait to find the right partner, have fun with a romantic partner without sexual involvement, focus on school, career, or other activities, support personal, moral, or religious beliefs and values, to get over a breakup, heal from the death of a partner, following medical advice during an illness or infection. Any woman or man can abstain from sex play. Many do it at various times in their lives. Some choose to abstain from sex play for long periods in their lives. Special advantages for teens. Sexual relationships present risk. Abstinence is a very good way to postpone taking those risks until you are better able to handle them. Women who abstain until their 20s and who have fewer partners in their lifetime may have certain health advantages over other women who do not. They are less likely to get STDs because they are less likely to contract an STD. They are also less likely to become infertile or develop cervical cancer. What are the disadvantages of abstinence? There are few disadvantages to abstinence. People may find it difficult to abstain for long periods of time and may end their period of abstinence without being prepared to protect themselves against pregnancy and infection. How do I talk to my partner about being abstinent? Talking with your partner about your decision to abstain from sex play is important. Whether or not you've had sex play before, partners need to be honest with each other to make sexual decisions together. These are some of the best ways to keep a relationship happy. Even so, it may not be easy to do. You may feel awkward or embarrassed. It's best to talk about your feelings before things get sexual. For many people, it's hard to be clear about what they want when they get aroused. It is helpful to think ahead of time about how you can say no to sex play, what behaviors will be clear, and what words would be best. You can practice saying the words out loud and think about how someone might respond to you. Take time to consider fully what being abstinent will mean for you. It is important to know what you are thinking and feeling and what you need. Then you can tell your partner about it. Be straightforward about the limits you want to set. Keep in mind that having sex is not the only way two people can get to know each other. Sex play is also not the only way couples can get close. People get closer as they build trust by talking, listening, sharing, being honest, respecting each other's thoughts and feelings, and enjoying each other's company. Abstinence can only work when both partners agree to it, so it is also helpful to keep talking with each other about what you've agreed to abstain from sex play. Your relationship may change, and your decision to be abstinent may change too. How to stay abstinent. Abstaining from sex is a choice you make every day. There are ways to help yourself with that choice. Remind yourself why you chose to be abstinent. Think about the consequences. Don't reevaluate your decision during sexually charged situations. Stick with your decision until you can think about it with a clear head. Abstaining from sex can be difficult for some people. Women and men need to be clear about their reasons to stay abstinent. If you are tempted to have sex play, it helps to remind yourself of why you made this decision in the first place. How can I stay abstinent? Think about your answer to these questions. Am I clear about why I want to be abstinent? Am I aware of the situation that could make staying abstinent difficult for me? Can I avoid them? Alcohol and other drugs can affect my judgment and decision-making abilities. How do I feel about not using them? Are there people in my life I can talk to about my decision to be abstinent? Will they be supportive? Most people stop being abstinent at some point in their lives. When you decide not to be abstinent, ask yourself, do I have information about other methods of birth control? And do I have access to them? Do I know how to protect myself from STDs? Be sure to like this video and comment your experiences with this method. And don't forget to subscribe and like me on Facebook for more updates.